Hi everyone. In this video, we will continue our AI journey, and today we will learn machine learning model. So this is our Day-5 journey, and in this video, we will learn machine learning model, in short, linear regression. This is our actual AI journey. Now, in till day 4, we had learned some basic Python data visualization, and means most of the concept we had covered. But in day 5, the actual AI journey will start. So first means now we are just moving data handling to AI prediction. Okay, and our day 5 goal is like we need to understand what is meant by ML model, how we can build our first prediction model, and how we can predict the values using input data. Whatever input we are providing, based on that, we need to predict our data. Before moving forward, first we need to understand what is meant by machine learning model. So, machine learning means what? So, machine learning model means this is a one type of function that learns from data and predicts the output. Means whatever data you have input, based on that the data, machine learning model just predict the values. For example, suppose if you input the house size, then ML model just predict or just provide the data as an output like price. So this model just learn relations. If you provide the house size, then it's just provide the output as a price, and this model just learn relations. Next concept is like a linear regression. So what is mean by linear regression? For example, it just try to fit those data as a straight line. For example, y means output like price or marks, x means whatever your input like size or age, m means just slope, and b is a intercept. So this is a linear regression concept like x, y, m, and b. Okay, this is a basic theory about machine learning and linear regression concept. So in short, machine learning means just predict the value based on your input, and regression concept is just fit those data in straight line. Okay, now we just understand this concept in example, means in programming way. To understand this in programming, then first we need to install or and import these libraries. For example, we need to import pandas. We know why we import pandas. Then we need to import mat library as well. We already learned this mat library, which is used for data visualization. And another is like sklearn linear model import linear regression. So this is for linear regression purpose. So these three libraries we need to install for linear regression. Okay, we just understand all these Like part 2, we need to create a simple data set, then prepare data, then train model, then prediction will happen in part 5, then in part 6 we need to visualize the model. Okay, so we just go one by one. First we will start with part 1. So just simply we need to import this. Okay, just simply go to Google Colab, just create your new notebook like Day-5. Okay, and here we need to understand this, or we need to copy this from our GitHub. So just import these libraries first. I just import these three libraries like pandas, mat, and scalar, which is import from the linear regression. Okay, now our part 1 is completed. Now part 2, we need to create a simple data set. Okay, now in part 2 we need to create a simple data set. We just copy this. Now what we are doing here, we are just create a hours and marks. We just create a array object. Okay, and here we just use a data frame to store that data. Okay, now we just create a simple data set in this way. Now in part 3 we need to prepare those data. For example, we need to prepare this hours and marks. So this is hours, this is our input, and marks, this is our output. Okay, so we have generated this x and y value. Now we in part 4 we need to train our model. For that reason we need to use linear regression. We just create one object like model for linear regression, and we just fit those value like x and y. Okay, now in part 5 we need to predict those value. For example, in part 5, now we just need to predict those value. For example, here we just use hours till 5. Now we just need to predict for sixth value. What is the means? Generally this program is like when you input like suppose I'm just study for 6 hours, then how marks will be generated. Suppose if you are saying like I'm study for 2 hours, then how marks will be generated like 50. In this way, we need to predict the letter values. For example, we have mentioned till 5. Now we need to predict for 6 or 7. Okay, this is a comment. Why this line is added? Because if you are not adding this line, then some warning message are raised. So to avoid such a warning message, we need to add this line. So this is a data frame while predicting to avoid the warning. I'm just adding this comment to understanding the purpose for this line. Okay, so this is a prediction. This data frames we need to use to avoid the warning. Okay, in short, and then we just uh, model.predict, and we need to just predict our new value. So this is your output, and here we just need to pass this prediction value. Okay, now we just move to next. Now the part 6 is like we need to visualize this model. Okay, for visualization purpose we need to import mat library. So we just visualize this. For example, just use scatter, and here we just pass this hours and mark. So we just predict this model and hours and mark, and this is our title like study hours and marks. So this is our whole code. Okay, so we need to cover all parts one by one whatever we have. Like in part 1, first we need to install or import this library, then create simple dataset, then prepare this data, then train model, and then prediction. And final is like visualize this model. Okay, so here we just cover everything. Now we just need to run it. Fine. So here this is my title, study hours versus mark. And here what is our prediction value? Like 6. If you pass the 6, then your prediction is like 90. Okay, so this is your output. For example, you just add here 66, means if you input as a 6, means if you study for 6 hours, then your mark will be generated as a 90. Till 5 we already provided, right? So this is expected like 80. Now we just passing 7. Okay, so this is prediction, this is ML model. Now if we are passing 7, then what is the prediction value? See, means if you are study for 7 hours, then the predicted marks is 100. So this is a sample data, whatever input we have provided. So this is a sample hours and marks, and based on that ML model just predict the next value. For example, if you want to predict 6, 7, then it's automatically predict. Now here suppose if you added 9 hours, then 120. So this is a prediction, and here for visualization purpose we just add marks and hours. Okay, so this is a uh, ML model. For ML model we need to import all this library like pandas, mat library, and linear regression. So we need to just prepare first our data set, then prepare this data for input and output purpose. Then we need to use the linear regression model. Then we need to prepare for prediction. Now we just pass a sample data, and based on that we just add one prediction value, and then ML model automatically predict the next value. And this part of code is just for visualization. Okay, so in this way we will start our ML model, machine learning model. Okay, so this is a uh, easy to understand. For that reason we just take one example to understand this ML model easily. Okay, everything, all parts are shared over here as well in our Day-5 machine learning model in GitHub repository. You can just copy all code part wise and just try to execute this. You can just take another example, prediction like house, uh, and if you want to predict their values or house price, then you can also take another example at your end. So this is our hours and mark example. Okay, in this way we can just predict the values based on your input. So this is a ML model. ML is a simply just predict the value based on your input, that's it, nothing else. For that reason we need to use a linear regression. Okay, we need to import linear regression for prediction purpose. So this is a Day-5 journey. You just try to execute all this code at your end. Just use a Google Colab. If you are not able to install the Python, then this is a browser specific and easy to execute all Python program. Okay, so just try to execute this uh, at your end to easy to understand. I'll just share all this link. This is a blog link I will share in description, so you can just go through it step by step. And here also I already share GitHub link as well. Okay, to just avoid some common mistake like model.predict, the correct one is like this one. Okay, 2D input required. So in this way you can just complete this task at your end. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you guys.